What in the world is that thing? That is the rotating fan that goes on the top of the Case Fan PC, the new version, which is now being run by a stepper motor, and it's all working. This ugly ass thing is the motor cage. It doesn't need to be pretty because it's going to be hidden away under the top, and you'll note that if you turn power on, the fan is working. You'd expect that. If you turn the motor on, better grab this thing because it's being forced to sit on the edge. It rotates. How in the world does it do that? Slip ring. The wires down here are not rotating. The wires up here are rotating. And